Hey there, I'm Alex. As a Master Black Belt and mentor here at Six Sigma Development Solutions, I've had a front row seat to see how the right skills can absolutely change the game for someone's career. So today, we're going to dive into one of the most powerful certifications out there for making a real impact, the Lean Six Sigma Green Belt.
So let's just start with a big question, right? In the world we work in today, how do you go from just being part of the team to being someone your organization truly can't live without? How do you become that go-to person who can tackle the toughest problems?
Well, the answer really lies in a powerful, proven methodology. It's all about becoming a Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. And trust me, this is your path from just, having a job to building a career that makes a serious difference. Okay, so what is a green belt, really? It's way more than just a title on your resume, it's a new identity. It means you are a professional who is skilled in using a data-driven approach to hunt down problems, get rid of waste, and drive improvements you can actually measure. You literally become a professional problem solver.
So where do you fit into the whole Six Sigma world? Well, a yellow belt understands the basic concepts, and a black belt is more of an expert mentor. The green belt, you're the engine room. You're the project leader, the person on the ground collecting the data and doing the analysis that leads to real, tangible change. And that kind of responsibility, it definitely comes with some pretty significant rewards. We're talking about salaries for certified green belts that can go all the way up to over $116,000 a year. This is about more than just learning new skills. It's a serious investment in your professional value and your financial future. So, how do you get these incredible results? What's actually inside this powerful toolkit that we're going to give you? Let's take a look.
The heart of it all is the DMAIC methodology. Now, think of this as your foolproof roadmap for success on any project. You define the problem, measure your current process, analyze the data to find the root cause, improve the process, and then control it to make sure the fix sticks. It's a framework that takes all the guesswork out of solving really complex challenges.
And DMASC is powered by some incredible tools you're going to master. You'll learn things like swim lane process mapping, which lets you see exactly who does what in a process, and it immediately highlights all the bottlenecks. You'll use FMEA, that's failure modes and effects analysis, to find and handle risks before they ever blow up into real problems. And yeah, you'll get confident with statistical tools like ANOVA and multiple regression to turn confusing data into crystal clear insights. And when you master these tools, it all leads to one thing, a huge professional payoff for you and for your organization. So let's talk about those tangible results. I want you to think of this certification not as a cost, but as a high return investment. It's pretty typical for successful green belt projects to deliver a return of 4, sometimes even 5 times the cost of the training, right back to the company's bottom line. That's a huge win. And hey, you don't just have to take my word for it. Take Sean Flynn, an engineer over at BAE Systems. He said he was actually afraid of stats before taking our course. But now he feels way more confident with data because we teach the concepts and how to apply them at the same time, making it so much easier to grasp. And Sean is definitely not alone. We've trained almost 4,700 green belts. And those graduates, they've gone on to save their companies over $28 million. That's a massive impact. Our 4.96 out of 5 rating is something we're incredibly proud of because it shows our commitment to training that really works. Okay, so if you're feeling excited right now, you're probably asking, all right, Alex, what's my path? How do I get certified? Well, it's probably a lot more straightforward than you think. And this is a big one. You don't need any special prerequisites, no prior certifications needed. Honestly, all you need to bring is an open mind and a real desire to learn and make a difference. We built this for any professional who's motivated to improve. We also know that everyone's situation is different, so we have flexible options. You can join a public in-person class at one of our 52 sites, or we can bring the training right to your team at your company. And of course, there's our super flexible online on-demand course that lets you learn completely at your own pace. There's a path for everyone. So really, the only question left is this. Are you ready to become that indispensable problem solver? Are you ready to make an investment in yourself and take that next big step in your career? If the answer is yes, we're here and we're ready to help. For more information on our Lean Six Sigma Green Belt programs, you can talk directly to an expert mentor just like me. Give us a call at 866-922-6566. We can't wait to help you get started on your journey.